In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can improve joystick precision here on a Steam Deck. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and press the Steam button on your Steam Deck to open up the main menu. And once you go ahead and open up the main menu, scroll down until you see the settings section here. Open it up, and in settings, scroll down on the left-hand sidebar until you see the controller tab right here. Open it up, scroll down a little bit more, and you're going to see calibration and advanced settings. Go ahead and select that with A to open it up. And in the top left corner, go ahead and make sure that you're on the joystick setting. You should already be on it automatically, but select it, and then you can go ahead and hover over to the right and select either left joystick or right joystick, and you're going to see a dead zone slider right here. What you're going to want to do is essentially just adjust this until it is perfectly set for you. By default, the value is usually set to around 8,000, so you're going to want to hit A on this, adjust the slider, and if you lower the dead zone, it's going to make your joystick more responsive, it's going to register smaller stick movements, and it's going to improve precision for aiming and fine control. However, if you set it to low, you may experience unwanted inputs, slight drift, so just adjust it gradually until it feels right for you. And of course, do the exact same thing with that right joystick as well. Once you're happy with the left, obviously do both. And when you're happy with both, you can back out and it'll save automatically. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.